thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Walworth and northwestern Racine counties until 7:15 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Potter Lake, or 5 miles south of Mugwanago, moving east at 30 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Waterford North around 7:05 p.m., Wind Lake around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Waterford and North Cape. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Strong thunderstorms over the waters. The areas affected include Port Washington to North Point Lights, Wisconsin, North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lights, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. At 6:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicates a line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing hail up to 3/4 inch in diameter from 14 nautical miles southeast of Port Washington to 49 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. The strong thunderstorms will be near Port Washington to Milwaukee Harbor around 6:30 p.m. Wind point around 7:05 p.m. Mariners can expect small hail, heavy downpours of rain, and lightning strikes. Boaters should consider seeking safe harbor until these storms pass. Strong thunderstorm moving into southeastern Waukesha and southwestern Milwaukee counties. At 6:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm 4 miles northwest of Muskego, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Penny-size hail, winds greater than 30 miles an hour. Occasional cloud-to-ground lightning, brief heavy downpours are possible with this storm. The thunderstorm will be near Hales Corners by 6:40 p.m., Franklin and Greendale by 6:45 p.m., Oak Creek and Milwaukee International Airport by 6:55 p.m., South Milwaukee and Cudahy by 7 p.m. Stay away from high objects outdoors such as trees. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until this storm has passed. A line of thunderstorms along the weak boundary, extending from around Mequon southwest to Palomar and East Troy, is moving east at 40 miles an hour and will affect portions of southeast Wisconsin between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Some of the thunderstorms will contain small hail and occasional cloud-to-ground lightning, in addition to brief heavy rainfall. The heavy rain will cause localized ponding of water in low spots on area roads. This is an